Of course it's in the shade. Why wouldn't it be in the shade, right? Why wouldn't it be in the shade? And, oh, that's right, it was way in over here. All right, so I'm gonna dig this out, extend this a little bit. I guess I don't have to. I guess I could do it right here. Okay, so I know it's right there. I want to cut that off. And if I wanted, I could put a coupling on there, right? I could put a coupling on there and put this whole piece back on, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to cut this off, and I'm going to save that pipe for later, because again, I may not use this one exactly where it's at. So this is just a temporary, right? Wag it back and forth, it's on. All right, how hard was that? Even if you've never done drip irrigation, that's as easy as it could be for you. Okay, I just made 3 fixes. I fixed that one, I fixed that one, and I fixed the other one over there, and I've got this little piece. Now I'm going to save. I'm going to keep that with my other little parts, and you'll start accumulating parts. And the main parts that I always use will be plug-ins like that. Will be drippers at the end. See, like these little plugs, you can buy these. This was a 20 pack, I believe it was, and you could buy those, I think, in 50 packs. You can also get that with a little hole punch, or you can get the hole punch if you need to put a hole in there and add a dripper. You get the little punch. They sell them at the hardware store, and then you would put a coupling in there. See, the coupling kind of looks like those. They kind of look like that, and some other couplings are a little bit longer, you know. But those are the main parts I use: the plugs and the couplings. And then you can get pipe. See, here's some extra pipe, and you can also buy it in 50-foot lengths, 100-foot lengths. And then I always have some around, and then I always get bubblers. I'll get half gallon per hour, 1 gallon per hour, and 2 gallon per hour. And then you just have to remember which is which. And when I cut them off, I like to just cut off the end of the plastic instead of ripping it, so I can always see if it's half gallon, 1 gallon, or 2 gallon. Because don't kid yourself, after you rip that off, you think, okay, which bubblers are these? Are these the 1s, 2s, or 3s? And depending which hardware store you go to, they might be in different colors. Lots of times, the place where I go, black ones like that are 1 gallon, and the red ones, see, with the red end like that, are half gallons. And then I get some green ones that they're just green at the end, and those are 2 gallons. But if you go to a different hardware store, the reds, I've seen the reds 2 gallon, and the blacks 1 gallon. And then there might be the green could be a half gallon, or the blacks could be half gallon. See, they're all intermingled. So whenever I get extras, like when I redo these, if I end up not using a couple of these lines, I don't know exactly what those bubbler ends are. So next time I get ready to use a bubbler, I'll try to use up my old ones, and I'll plug one of those in, and the half just barely drips out, and then the 1 gallon goes drip, 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 like that, and the 2 gallon streams out a lot faster, but really super fast. And then you know that's 2 gallon, okay? And then you could use them that way too, okay? All right, so that's it for now, okay? Now I'm ready to get back up and do more work in the front yard. And I hope you've been watching all my videos, because hey, the more you watch, the more you learn. Okay, I'm gonna go out there, and I think today I'm gonna be working on the landscape lights. We'll see if we can't get those figured out. And if you were with me another time, and I hope you were, you would have seen that I tried to hook up some brand new ones. I tried to do one as a test, and I could not get it to work. And now I know why, and I hope you check out these next videos, okay? All right, well, that's all I got. Where am I? Here I am. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Okay, I'm glad that repair's done. I can cross that one off my list.